Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to find shaded area. In this diagram, you can see there are two rectangles. One is outer rectangle and one is inner rectangle. So we will calculate the area of our outer rectangle and then the area of our inner rectangle. And once we will find it, we will subtract both the areas and then we will get what is the area of the shaded region. So let's start with it. We'll write on here outer rectangle. Length is equals to 9 centimeter. Width is equals to 5 centimeter. Area is equals to L into W, which is equals to 9 into 5, which is equals to 45 centimeter square. Then we'll write on here inner rectangle. Length is equals to 4 centimeter. Width is equals to 3 centimeter. Area is equals to 4 into 3, which is equals to 12 centimeter square. Then we'll write on here area of shaded region is equals to area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Now we will put the values here. Area of our outer rectangle is 45. Area of our inner rectangle is 12. So when we will subtract it, we'll get it equals to 33 centimeter square. And that's the area for shaded region. Let's take another example for this. In this question, the length and width is given for the outer rectangle, but it's not given for the inner rectangle. We don't know what is the length of an inner rectangle. We don't know what is the width of an inner rectangle. So first of all, we need to find out that. So for that, we'll write on here inner rectangle. Length is equals to 10, which is the length of the outer rectangle, minus 2.5 minus this 2.5. So 10 minus 2.5 is 7.5 minus 2.5. 7.5 minus 2.5 is 5 centimeter. Similarly, we'll find out what is the width, which is equals to, so the width of the outer rectangle is 12 minus, we have to subtract this one, and then we have to subtract this one, and we'll get the width of the inner rectangle. So 12 minus 1 is 11 minus 1. So 11 minus 1 is 10 centimeter. So area will be equals to 5 into 10, which is equals to 50 centimeter square. Then we'll write down outer rectangle. Length is equals to 10 centimeter. Width is equals to 12 centimeter. Area is equals to 10 into 12, which is equals to 120 centimeter square. Then we'll write down area of shaded region. Which is equals to area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Which is equals to 120 minus 50, which is equals to 70 centimeter square. In this question, we have to find out the area of an outer rectangle, area of an inner triangle, and then we have to subtract the areas to find out what is the area of a shaded region. So we'll write on here outer rectangle. Length is equals to 30 meter. Width is equals to 7.5 meter. Area is equals to 13 into 7.5, which is equals to 97.5 meters square. Then we'll write on here inner triangle. Height is equals to 5 meter. Base is equals to 9 meter. Area is equals to 1 by 2 into B into H. We'll put the values here 1 by 2 into 9 into 5. So 9 into 5, 45 over 2. We'll get here 22.5 meters square. Now area of a shaded region is equals to area of outer rectangle minus area of inner triangle, which is equals to 97.5 minus 22.5, which is equals to 75.0 meter square. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also do not forget to write the comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.